Okay guys, continue tayo guys ulit. Ito pa rin yung mga shop. Okay. Napakadaming telepono talaga yan. Second hand yan guys. So pag bumili ka ng second hand dito, kunting diferensya lang ng ng brand new. Yan, mga iPhone 15 pababa. Yan, puro second hand yan. Kanan. Bhaijan, how are you?
Yes, good.
This all second hand iPhone?
It's all second hand. Which one you want?
Which one is good?
Which mobile you want? Which model? Always good.
iPhone 15 Pro Max.
15 Pro Max है 256 GB है.
How much?
3150.
3150?
Maganda phone no guess.
Okay, nice. So what is your name, my friend?
Ahmad Karim.
Muhammad from
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay, nice to meet you, bro. So guys, ito po ulit. Yan po, mga mobile shop ulit. Yan. So hanggang doon po yan, may exchange hanggang doon. Okay, so doon tayo sa kabila, tatawid tayo. Guys, tatawid tayo guys ha. Dito tayo sa Al-Qasimiyah Street. Kita nyo yan. So ito po yung tinatawag na Spanish roundabout. But sa ngayon, para po may ginagawa dyan na tunnel. Okay.